Now, when we get down to the details of this guy, you can see that we've got replacement springs, we've got the whole assembly, we've got a stack up of spacers, it's got new machined ends. Now these ends here will align with the ends inside the fork. Now, as we put these in, we want to make sure we've got these screwed down to where they need to be, and we've got the orientation right for the fork assembly. So we're going to get this one screwed together. We've got this in line with the bottom, and you want to take, now we've already cleaned out the old grease that's inside this guy, and you will want to grease these up. Just for the demonstration here, we're going to put these in together dry. So you got to align the fork tubes like that. Okay. All right, get the tubes in, and then screw them together. That's the kit.